What's up, everybody? On the bench today, we're going to do something a little different. I got a Bayard 32 gauge shotgun in the shop with the bushings and firing pins cracked. And so the customer asked if I could replace those. And so on the screen right now, what I'm going to show you is the bushings being where they're cracked. And so what I had to do was I had to go in, I had to remove the bushings with a pair of needle nose pliers and then saw off or Dremel down this firing pin because I couldn't get in there to save my life. So wound up doing that, then used an easy out in this next picture right here to take the bushing out. And when I completed that, I was able to get all the pieces out. And this is what I was left with cracked bushings, bad screws, and the springs I was able to keep. But I had to get new firing pins and bushings, and I'll show that next. And here's the final product after I got the bushings and the firing pins put back on. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you here is me doing a test fire of it with number 8 shot.
Bayard 32 gauge shotgun. This is number 8, 32 gauge.